Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Fix Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Wordscapes application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end. This game is a tremendous brain challenging fun. You may enjoy modern word puzzles with word searching, anagrams and crosswords. Immerse yourself into the beautiful scenery backgrounds to relax and ease your mind. You may relax your brain with this fun word puzzle game and beautiful landscapes. To download your Wordscapes application on your Android device, firstly go ahead and open your Play Store. Tap on the bottom right corner of the page. On the search box at the top, type in Wordscapes and make a search. You are going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Tap on the application. Now click on the install button to start the downloading process. While downloading an application, make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the play button to launch the application. Open the application, and that is how you will be able to download your Wordscapes application on your Android device quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.